Last weekend, my mom came over and we were discussing whose detergent was better. She just wouldn't believe that liquid detergents work so much better than powdered ones. So we did this simple experiment right here at home. So we have water in both these beakers, and now we add 1 spoon of powdered detergent into the first beaker and mix well. And we do the same with the other beaker. We add the same quantity of Fluff liquid detergent into the second beaker and mix that as well. Now we will add half a spoon of turmeric powder to each beaker and we mix that well. Now closely observe the color in each. Fluff maintains the turmeric color because of its neutral pH, whereas the powdered detergent turns red because of its alkaline pH. So I hope this helps you understand why Fluff liquid detergent is better for your clothes.